In this lesson, we will learn the importance of future proofing your SEO strategy, because we see this question again and again. SEO, whether SEO is dead, SEO dead, all these things happen, and we want to make sure when we are doing SEO right now, we are creating a SEO strategy which is going to work now and in future as well. So that is why I wanted to create this video, because this is very important when you are learning to do SEO. This is the way you should be strategizing your SEO journey, or when you're learning SEO, this is the way you should be making your learning aspect of it. So when you're creating SEO content, or when you're making your SEO knowledge, you already know all the ways of doing SEO in a multi-channel approach. There should not be just one marketing channel. It should be a omni strategy approach, like you are should be on all these platforms. I will explain the importance of it in this video. So when you are doing SEO, the primary focus should be on Google. Like Google is still the king. They all the majority of the search market. There is Bing, all these things available, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, all the things available, but still Google is the key. When it comes to Google, we should be focusing on our SEO strategies around keywords, of finding the right target keywords, creating a quality content for the search engine and also for user. The quality I will explain much more depth in content marketing and technical SEO on these videos. Technical SEO, improving the website technical SEO aspect of it, creating local SEO, improving the local SEO to do Google map optimization, doing Google business profile optimization. Backlinks is where we do off page optimization to earn authority through linking from other website. All this might sound confusing to you right now, but just remember, when I'm teaching in this series, I will go all this section one by one. So that is, you need to understand Google should be your primary focus right now. But AI is the future, and it's already happening. Like ChatGPT got introduced around 2022, now it's 2025. Everywhere is AI, and especially in AI chat models, the really famous ones like ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Meta AI, all these things also have a web search feature, which means basically these are AI's chat models powered by web searching, or like a AI search engine. So when you are making sure to rank your websites or brand, you should not just focus on Google alone. You should be making use of this AI search engine. You should be trying to rank on this AI search engines also. So for that, we will be focusing more towards natural language optimization, creating structured data to make AI and both Google and AI to understand your content better, directly answering the question so AI can figure out patterns and gather data from your website, and making your site or brand much more authority, because you should give points to AI search engines to show, out of all the 1,000 web pages which is talking about this particular point, why should I give this preference, or why should I rank this particular person on the first position. So you should make your site or brand much more authority. We will be focusing on all these aspects when we are doing AI SEO. Like the last one which I want to emphasize, and I see a lot of people are ignoring this in SEO world, but I feel this is very important, is many younger generation, Gen Z and all 2K kids and everyone are using social media as a search engine. They are not coming into Google, they are not coming into AI search engine. For example, my wife, she does all her searches in Instagram or Facebook. If she want to find a parlor, she is not going to Google for information, or she is not going to go into AI for information. She is going into Instagram to search about it. So that is very important. It's not about social media marketing. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about social media SEO. So in order to make sure that you're reaching your target audience in all the right platform, you should be focusing on social media search as well, because there are reports, studies are proving that people are using social media as a search engine to find products, information, and everything. Here we will be focusing when we are doing SEO on hashtag optimization, engagement metrics, can be any sort of engagement metrics, how to get that, how to correctly optimize your content for that, visual content, how should we be creating visual content, because social media is everything about visual interactive communication, a two-way communication platform. So can be photos, video, lessons, anything on that nature, but we will be focusing on visual content. And finally we will be also looking into how we can utilize trends data to do better, easier, or virality SEO for social media channels. So the key takeaway for you should be in this lesson is that when we are learning to do SEO, we should be focusing on Google first, because that is where so many people are still doing their searches. That is the biggest king of search engine right now, and that is should be a foundational and important place. But you should be preparing for your future, because even Google is doing AI search overviews, and other AI chat models, search engines are growing very fast. Even Perplexity is growing very fast. So you should be making sure that you are doing SEO in order to rank for these AI search engines, also within these AI search engines. And finally, don't ignore social, because we are not talking about social media marketing. I'm specifically talking about social media SEO, and we should make sure that our brand or business or website is discoverable in this social media platform to reach those newer and younger generation audience. So remember, the goal is not to chase trends every single where, because you are going to be seeing trends, new things to be hyping about, new stuff to come out, but make sure that you clearly understand it. I'm not talking about new trends here. I'm talking about you should make or do SEO to all the places which are proving to know that your target customers might be searching for particular services. We know that Google is getting searched, so many people. We know that AI search is getting popular and people are searching through AI. We know people are using social media as a search engine. So it's no longer about one platform, one website. You are essentially risking it. You should be making sure that when you are doing SEO, you are doing a full multi-channel approach. You no longer should be doing only one channel approach. You should be doing a multi-channel approach to make sure that whatever the SEO you are doing, you are not doing just to be correct right now, but you are future proofing it, and you are covering your target audience in all the platform. So I hope you understand the importance of that lesson right now. In the next video, I will talk about Google algorithm updates. I mentioned that Google is going to be our primary focus. There's something called algorithm updates. We should be very aware of it in SEO field. I will explain that in the next video. If you have any doubts or any questions on this lesson, ask me in the comment and I will answer it for you.